Well, here we go again, Marty. You reported an unbelievably good quarter. Actually, really very, very strong. Your stock had risen above where it was before the pandemic. And then there's people who say, you know what, it's not enough. But you and I both know with the 2.7% yield and the kind of momentum you have, despite we're small and medium-sized businesses, Paychex is in a lot better position than you and I would have thought, let's say, 1 month into the pandemic.
Jim, you're absolutely right. We had great sequential growth, really quarter to quarter. You know, in the first quarter, our total revenues were down 6% versus the first quarter of last fiscal year. And in this recent second quarter, we're only down 1% and service revenue was flat. So we're really doing much better than we had expected. And our earnings were up 4%, our earnings per share on an adjusted basis. So we had a very strong quarter from the financial standpoint. We had the best client retention we've had in our history. And sales continue to look good from a unit perspective.
So, Marty, can you put that in context with the Paychex IHS market survey, your small business survey that I find so valuable to get a sense of what the country's really up to?
Yeah, I think what we've seen, you know, we saw certainly a big drop in April, and then it's really been fairly steady with small downward pressure kind of each month. There's still job growth in small businesses, but it certainly is not increasing or improving. It's just kind of holding its own. We still see the South as the strongest, even though it's down year over year, the southern region, Florida, the #1 state. And it's because of construction. You know, there's a lot of over 20% increase in new home sales. We're seeing construction on the residential market, commercial market. So there's jobs out there. You know, frankly, sometimes, Jim, it's hard to find people for some of the jobs that are available out there.
Yeah, what a mismatch.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.